Okay. Abhinu has sent, others has not sent, but Abhinu has sent. But anyway, I hope others have already done. Let's quickly do that. And first one is asking about the gates. Gate වර්ග අහන්නේ පළවෙනි එකේ. Okay. So let me refresh. Okay, logic gates. Not gate, or gate, and gate. And gate එක පෙන්ඩව් පැත්තක් වගේ තියෙන. O gate එකේ අර හඳ භාගයක් වගේ මේ පැත්තක් මේ වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Not gate එකේ ත්‍රිකෝණයක් එක්ක උඩ. Next. It's a very simple one, right? That's all. Who's the fastest? Randupa, you are the fastest, right? Anyone try to break break the record? Or gate, not gate, and gate? I don't think it's very, very fast on the like 3 seconds means very fast. You are very fast. You cannot even 3 seconds, 5 seconds. 5 seconds. හිතන්න පුළුවන් කියලා මටත් අමාරුයි ඒක. And ඔයා ටැබ් එකකින් යූස් කරන්න නැත්නම් ටැබ් එකකින් කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ ලැප් මේකකින් අමාරුයි. ලැප් එකකින් අමාරුයි. මොකද මවුස් එක අරගෙන මූව් කරනකොට ටයිම් එක යන හින්දා. Okay. Oh no, not. No. Maybe mobile phone or tab easy, but this one is not. Okay. Not and oh sorry. No. It depends on the speed, right? Depends on the device speed. Very like it's very difficult with devices. So like still like it's to load that take, right? You can use maybe different device, not this. Big boy Blake. Who's the big boy Blake? I don't know. Kaude? Big boy Blake. With different names, right? I think it's not you, but somebody from some other country. Next, try this one, right? Identify the logic gates and the truth table. Okay, O gate is this, and gate is this, and this is called no gate. No. O එක not වෙනකොට අපි no කියලා කියනවා. Not කියන්නේ මෙයාව. And gate truth table කියන්නේ දෙකම එක වෙද්දී එකක් නම් and gate truth table එක. O gate truth table එක දෙකම බිඳුවේදී බිඳුවක් නම් O gate. No gate truth table එක O gate එකේ අනිත් පැත්තට දෙකම බිඳුවක් වෙද්දී බිඳුවනේ O gate එක. දෙකම බිඳුවක් වෙද්දී බිඳුව. එතකොට ඒකේ අනිත් පැත්ත තමයි no වෙන්නේ. Not truth table කියලා කියන්නේ බිඳුවේදී එකක් එක වෙද්දී බිඳුවක්. හතරක් දාන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. ඒක දෙකෙනුත් කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, so these records are very hard to break now. I think yeah. Now it is also done in 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Oh, very hard to break. 14 seconds can is very fast, right? Okay, gate and gate truth table is this. Not gate. No, gate truth table is this. And this is AND gate. This is no gate. And this is not truth table. And this is. I don't think that 24, 25, 26 not enough. Oh, I made some mistakes even. No, get truth table should come there, right? Yeah, it's very difficult. I think 15 seconds. You have to try. With my device, I cannot. With my device, because I have slowness in this device, no, very difficult to do. So it's no gate is this. Or truth table is this. And truth table is this. Or gate is this. Not truth table is this. This is for this is for this. But no. When marking itself, it will take more than 20 seconds after marking, right? Because the device is also affecting here. Okay. Let's move to the next. Okay, what is this? You have to identify the head, and from the head you are identifying this, right? Again, easy question. ඔළුවේ හැඩ යනවා තමයි එක ගන්න. ඔළුවේ හැඩ යනවා. ඒක නම් ඔන්න try කරලා තියෙනවා. Same time නේ. 18යි 9 18යි 9. Okay, next. Next. Next සිංහලෙන් දීලා තියෙනවා. මේක දා and द्वारे and gate එක. or gate එක. not gate එක. ඔක්කොම සත්‍ය වෙනව සත්‍ය දෙන්නේ and gate එක. ප්‍රතිවිරුද්ධාගේ දෙන්නේ not gate එක. or gate එක 0.1. Okay. Right, these are the records you can see. Very good. Okay, now you have done this tute, and let's move to the lesson. Grade 8 lesson. Okay, අපි කතා කරපු දෙකේ සතියේ combinational logic. Combinational logic means how to combine these gates. And actually we have to remember the main features of main gates. AND gate will output when all inputs are 1. ඔක්කොම input එක වෙලාවේ තමයි AND gate එක output එක දෙන්නේ. If all inputs are 1, AND gate will output 1. OR gate will output either input is 1. OR gate එක දෙන්නේ එකෙන් දෙකෙන් එකක් හරි එක එනවනම් දෙකම එනවා නම් කොහොමද දෙනවා? දෙකෙන් එකක් හරි එක එනවා නම් OR gate එක දෙනවා. Not gate will invert. Those are the theories, and you have to remember that when constructing the circuits. Okay, let's before going to the internet part, we need to go to the internet lesson. Let's finish the tute, right? Let's finish the tute. I hope this tute is also with you. This is the very recent tute uploaded by Mrs. Lakmali. Okay, please complete this tute very soon. This is the new tute. New tute. This is the new tute. It has 6 exercises. Please complete it very soon. Very soon. I will give 6 exercises in 6 minutes. Then now, 6 exercise 6 minutes. Please complete it now. Okay. First quiz, logic gate, and I'm going to quickly finish these things because this lesson we have already done. The only thing is the tute, right? Then we can move to the new lesson. දෙකක් තියෙනවා මේකේ. මේකේ තියෙන එකක් and එක අනිත් එක not එක and සහ not द्वारा. Okay, since I feel bored, I will give this to somebody. Maybe okay. Veron is going to do this now. Veron, please. Veron, please do this. You have the mouse control. Veron. මේ දෙක එකතු වෙලා හැදෙන තනි එක මොකක්ද කියලා අහන්නේ. and එක not වුණාම අපි කියනවා and එක not වුණාම nand කියලා කියනවා. and එක not nand. Nand is the gate. Oh, Veron, ඔය මොකද mouse එක control නැත්තම් කියන මං ගෙනියන්නේ. Nand. මෙතනින් Veron select කර ගන්න ඕනේ. ඉන්න. පොඩ ඉන්නකෝ. mouse එක මේව කරන්න එපා. Veron, keep your mouse. Don't move. Keep your hand away, Veron. Otherwise, I cannot move this. Okay, Arosh, try. Arosh, please try. Arosh. Okay, no one is trying. So let's stop that. I will do that, right? Okay, this is called Nand. Question 3. No, මොකක්ද අහන්නේ? No द्वारा निर्माण කවර द्वारा සංයෝග no එක හැදෙන්නේ O එකයි not එකයි. නැන් වගේ තමයි. මේවා නෑ මං කිව්වා මේ ඔයාලගේ සිලබස් එකේ නැහැ උනාට පුරුදු වෙන එකේ වැරද්දකුත් නැහැ. Bonus round. Oh, minus. Bonus මට ඉතින් හම්බෙන්නේ මට පැත්තට. Okay, question 4. හරි මේකේ boolean algebra expression එක. හා මේ තියෙන a and b උඩින් දාලා දෙනවා not එක. a and b වල not. උතර තියෙන්නේ NAND එක. a and b වල not කියන්නේ NAND එක. Okay, මේකෙන් පෙන්නන්නේ මොනවද කියලා අහනවා. මේකේ not එක NAND එක තියෙනවා not එක තියෙනවා. උතර NAND or not සහ O කියන තුනම තියෙනවා. මගේ මේ ලකුණු වලට වැඩි නම් වැඩි ඔයාලා ගොඩාක් අරගෙන යන්නේ. Because I got bonus negative mark also. මේ ඔයාලා දන්නේ එක්සෝදාරය කියලා කියන්නේ මේක. Okay, the next. Again a bonus round. මම ලකුණු අඩු කරගෙන යන round එක bonus round. මම පාර 100ක් හම්බුණා. Okay, likewise there are 6 questions, right? 6 questions. I hope rather than me doing this, I hope you can do this by yes, you can do this, right? You can do this, you can complete this. There are 6 activities. Please complete this. Right, today I'm basically stopping a little bit earlier because our lesson is done, only this is remaining. So please, but I will check your assignments. I will check your assignments. Therefore, please do this and send a screenshot to WhatsApp. You will be given mark for that. Take care. So please complete and send it to the WhatsApp. Okay, I will evaluate through WhatsApp. I'm finishing a little earlier today because we have finished the lesson. Then see you all next week. Please do this and send it to the WhatsApp, right? Okay, good night.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night. Bye.